idea of Yodha race, it's still hitting. It is in the progress. When we'll go, like when we come here every day, it hits us. But when we'll go for the actual Yodha race, it will hit us on that day. It is just the process that we are in, like hitting in the process basically. So it'll hit us on that particular day itself. So it is a work in progress. Every day when I come here, I do feel like giving up. I feel like, why am I doing this? What will I achieve after this, after doing this? But if I do not come to this session, or if I do not attend the session, if I do not do the workout, I will feel, I will regret that for the entire day, that why did I not do this. So that is my push. As I said in the last session also, this is for me to push myself. This is a challenging session for me. So that is the trigger that I want to come here every day. I might feel like giving up, but I would push myself and complete it. I might faint, I might cry, I might do everything, but I will not give up. So that is the push. Yeah, it feels good that somebody is suffering with me. So I feel like, okay, I am not doing it alone. She's there to support me, and then she always pushes me also, and we have a lot of fun. So it's better to know, okay, I'm not doing this alone, I'm not suffering alone. So yeah, that is the push.
Okay, so suddenly out of nowhere, one day, sir told that there is a Yodha race. So sir told, and we were totally unaware about it. So everyone was like कि सब करते हैं. मुझे तो कुछ पता भी नहीं था. तो I was like कि everyone is telling करते हैं. Then sir was asking me करते हैं. हाँ, सब लोग करते हैं. तो I was like कि करते हैं, but मुझे लगा नहीं था कि इतना टफ है. तो मैंने जब चेक किया, सर ने बोला, तभी हम लाइक कि 100 मीटर्स है, 50 मीटर्स है, 700 मीटर्स रन. इट्स ओके, इट्स फाइन, वी कैन डू इट. और जब भी फर्स्ट ट्रेनिंग सेशन हुआ, तभी हार्डली हम लोग ने वी नॉट इवन कवर 10%. और उस दिन जो हालत खराब हो गई, एंड वी वर लाइक कि नहीं बॉस, ये नहीं होगा, इट्स नॉट ईजी जॉब. और तब से था कि अभी कर लिया है तो अभी करना तो पड़ेगा ही. इट्स वेरी टफ गाइस. इट्स नॉट ईजी टू रन 700 meters between each zone, and it's not even 100 meters is too long distance. And at that point of time, I'm a college student. So in July, I guess in June end या फिर July start, so my college was just begun, and I was like कि I was in a chill mode. And तभी इतना intense कुछ तो योद्धा and all आ गया. तो I was like करते हैं, अभी कुछ एग्जाम नहीं है, देख लेंगे, ट्राई कर लेंगे, हो गया तो हो गया. बट अभी हो गया. अभी we are in October now, तो अभी चल रहा है, and it is very tough guys, believe me. Actually it was about proving something to myself also and to others also, because I wanted to prove that I am fit. So fitness is not about looks, it is about what you can do, in what time you can do, what you can achieve. It is about your mentality, कि you want, if you want to do it or not, you can give it your 100%. That is never giving up attitude. If you have that, now you are an athlete, you are fit person. I always train to get that medal. When I thought about Yodha race ना, I first saw medal and I'm like कि मुझे ये किसी भी हालत में चाहिए. I have to cover it in 90 minutes, the whole zones, all 7 zones and the running part. तो कुछ भी हो, but मुझे वो medal चाहिए. I trained for that कि मुझे ये medal चाहिए ही चाहिए. I only trained for that medal. This game is all about dedication. Without dedication, you can't do this. It is all about dedication. If you are dedicated, you can do it.